So for questions on paper cutting, try to open step by step. Okay, open the folding step by step, and so that it will be easier for you to understand what the final answer will be. See here what is happening. First there is a triangle, it is folded one layer like this, then one more layer of folding happens and they are making a cut like this. So what is it that we have right now? See, we have something like this where we are making 3 cuts like this. So what will be my first step? My first step will be to open it this way, right? So how will the diagram look like? So when I open it in the first step, right, if I open it like this, this is what I will get. So here I'll have, it will be something like this, no? I'll have 3 diamonds for the cut that I've made when I open it in the first step. Then next what am I doing? I am again opening in the same direction another step. So this is how it will look. See, I have opened through this line. So here if I have 3 diamonds like this, here also I will have the same thing, right? Because I have opened one more layer. So this is how my answer figure will look, which is option E. Clear? Yes. So you have a square, a diamond shape which is folded once again. That basically 2 folds are happening here, and then you are making a cut like this. So let us try to open it out. How will you do it? So you have something like this. Here you have a shape like this. Now I am going to open it like this, first step, right? So how will my figure look? My figure will look like this. Yes. So if I have made a cut here like this, same cut will be replicated on the other side because there were more number of layers here, right? Now next what am I doing? I am opening it this way. So when I open it this way, I have something like this. Okay, so whatever is being replicated here, yes, it would be replicated on the other side also. So this will be your answer. So looking at the options, the correct answer is going to be option B. In each of the following questions, a paper sheet is folded and cut according to the given diagrams. Then after opening the diagrams so obtained, based on the 5 alternatives, you have to say the correct answer. Okay, again same method to be used. So you have a rectangle like this where a cut is made. So first I am going to open it like this. So how will my figure become? It will become something like this. So this cut that I make here, right, it should come on this side also like this. Now next what am I doing? I am going to open it how? I am going to open it this way, right? Open it this way. So now this will become like this. Okay, so when I do that, so this is the center. If this cut is there on the side, it should appear here also. Cut is there on this side, it should appear here also. So this will be my answer figure, that is option A. Some of you are telling me the answer is option C. See exactly where the cut is made and how you are opening. That is very important to check. See, you are opening along this line. When you open it along this line, this cut and the cut on the other side, they will be like this, right? If there was a cut that was made here, right, if the cut was made here, then might be when you open it, you will get a figure like this. But here remember, it is being opened along this line. So it should look like this. Yes, so exactly where you open, I mean in each step where you open and where the cut is made, you have to clearly note that. Correct answer here is option A. So what do you do here? See, you have folding like this, there is a cut like this. Now what am I doing? I have to open it to this side, right? Basically I am opening it like this. So when I do that, so this is my center now, right? So it will become here and like this I'll get. Now what do? I have to open it upwards. So if I open it upwards, right, what will happen? I'll have, so I'm opening it along this line. Okay, so if I have a figure here like this in the top layer, right, how will it be? It will look like this, inverted of that, right? So because here there are 2 layers, I am opening out one layer, so it should look like this. Then next step, what am I doing? I have to further open it in this direction. Yes, see here to get from here to come here, what should I do? See, from here when I do it this way, I am getting this figure. Okay, then again from here I have to go up to get this step, and then I have to further open to get the last step. So this I have done. So to get the last step, I have to further open it like this. So this will how my final image will look, and this is how I have opened it, right? This image I am opening it out like this. So here if I have something like this, on this side also the same thing should come. Similarly here if I have something like this, the same thing should come here as well. So when you look at the options, it is option A.